Today we're diving into Zenfy, a productivity app that's been making waves lately. But is it really worth your time? Let's explore what it offers and whether it truly delivers on its promises or if it's just another app collecting dust on your phone. Zenfy aims to enhance your productivity by providing a streamlined platform for task management and organization. At its core, it helps users track their to-do lists, set reminders, and manage deadlines, which sounds great on paper. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to jump in without a steep learning curve. One standout feature is its integration with various calendars and email services, which could save you a lot of time if you're juggling multiple schedules. However, there are some areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, the app claims to offer smart suggestions for task prioritization, but it doesn't explain how this actually works. Additionally, while it targets busy professionals and students, it's unclear whether it can handle the needs of more complex project management. So, if you're looking for something robust, you might want to keep that in mind. So, what are the pros and cons of Zenfy? On the plus side, the app is user-friendly, has a sleek design, and integrates well with other tools, making it a solid choice for those looking to simplify their task management. However, it does have its downsides. The lack of detailed explanations for features like smart suggestions leaves you questioning its reliability. Plus, some users might find it lacking in advanced functionalities, which could be frustrating for those managing larger projects. Pricing is another area of concern. While it offers a free version, the premium features come at a cost that might not feel justified for everyone. If you're just starting out or have simple needs, it could work well, but more seasoned users might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Zenfy could be a good fit for casual users looking for a simple way to manage tasks. However, if you require more advanced project management tools, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying out, especially since it has a free version, but keep your expectations in check.